Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with MarketMuse for affiliate topic clustering, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with MarketMuse for affiliate topic clustering, begin by creating an account on the MarketMuse website. Once you have logged into your account, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Select the new project option to initiate your topic research. Input the main topic related to your affiliate niche in the provided field. Click on Create, and let MarketMuse analyze the topic for relevant keywords and concepts. After the analysis is complete, navigate to the Topic Clusters section in your project. Here, you will see a list of suggested subtopics that relate to your main topic. Review the suggested subtopics and select the ones that align with your affiliate marketing goals. Use the filters to refine the suggestions based on relevancy and search volume. Once you have identified your target subtopics, click on the option to add them to your project. After adding the subtopics, return to the dashboard to visualize your topic cluster. Utilize the insights provided by MarketMuse to understand the content gaps you can fill. Start drafting content outlines for each subtopic. Ensure that the outlines incorporate relevant keywords suggested by MarketMuse. After drafting the outlines, prioritize your content based on potential traffic and relevance. Next, create a content schedule to maintain consistency in publishing. As you produce content, continually monitor its performance through MarketMuse Analytics. Refine your content strategy based on the data you gather from your published work. Repeat this process regularly to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts using MarketMuse. This will help establish your authority in the chosen niche and improve search visibility. Stay updated with any new features released by MarketMuse for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.